What time does this movie end?
I don't know.
You want to go do our nails?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Alright.
But first, let's take a selfie.
Which color do you want?
How about the...
They're the same color! I was joking! Gosh.
I choose the pink. Jeez.
What do you mean I'm not doing it right?
You have to do it vertically, not horizontally.
What? I never heard of that.
Did you hear something?
Selfie. Take the chips! Take the chips! Are we doing that?
I got this.
Selfie.
Never mind, I changed my mind. I don't got it.
You know what, Ivana? We can take these selfies.
Let's
Do these!
selfies. We're not scared of you.
You got that right.
Selfies.
Hashtag selfies are for Sundays.
It's Wednesday. Selfie. Those selfies were so strong.
I know. I think one of them broke my spine. How'd we even get in here?
I don't know. The chips probably led you here.
Probably. Game plan.
What?
We have to find a way to get out of here and have to put the selfies back into the picture.
Okay.
Now,
How?
how are we going to do that? Self.
Wow. That was easier than expected. Duh.
Does your mom have bacon?
Probably. Let's go check.
Trouble.
Dilip.